Well, hey there, everybody. It is Tara time. It's Monday. It's a little before 4. I am moving pretty quickly today. I have a few commitments that I have to keep, but this was my number one today. I wanted to check in with everybody, catch up, say hey, share with you some of the amazing things we have going on at Temptations, share our must-haves, let you know what's going on at the queue. You know, this is our time to check in, chat, get me some suggestions, things that you want to see. Hey, Barbara, all those wonderful things so that we can keep our love affair of Temptations going. Boy, it's been a busy weekend. I was off yesterday, so I was joking that I was doing Sunday things that I don't really know that Sunday people do, like go to brunch and watch football, and it was really beautiful. And we have beautiful weather here in Delaware. Hi, Jocelyn. Oh, from Houston. I love it. Debbie's checking in. Brenda's here. Joy. You're so sweet. Tell me more. Tell me more. Joy Gathers on the board, everybody. Give her some high fives or hearts or some love. Joy and I work very, very closely on all of the product that you see here in merchandising, which is very exciting, and some of the must-haves we're going to share here today, as well as Lisa, and you know the whole team. So, Joy, did you see all your little hearts you got there? Love it. Cheryl's checking in from Ohio. Love that. Our other Cheryl's checking in from the middle of California. Woo, woo, where you been? Woo, woo. Margaret's checking in from Austin, Texas. I love it. Arlene's here. Rob's here. So I'm a little early. So thank you guys for accommodating me. Barbara's checking in. Hope all is well. Everything is great. Fantastic. It's a beautiful, gorgeous day here in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. You know, I used to have the temperature on my watch, and now, I don't know, it's not there anymore. So I don't know what happened to it. I'm not asking too many questions. So other than asking Alexa, okay, by the way, you guys, I'm just going to tell you, I am an Alexa fan. Sorry if I don't know if it's a controversial subject or not, but we do have Alexa in our home. So the other night I couldn't sleep. It was like 3:30 in the morning. So if you have Alexa, you know that like you can tell her to you can connect her. She becomes a smart device, and you can connect her to your lights. So you can say, Alexa, turn off bedroom light, whatever, one. So we have that in a couple of things in our house. And so I couldn't sleep. It was like 3:30 in the morning. I went out to the couch and I just turned on the TV, and I was just kind of chilling, whatever. And all of a sudden, I'm not kidding, Alexa says, we can't open doors. Something like, if you ask for a prompt, and she'll say something like, we don't have that prompt. We can't prompt open the doors. And I'm like, is someone trying to open my door? What's happening? What's going on? We have 4 dogs, so I'm fairly confident no one's trying to open the door. But if you've ever had that happen, woo, it scares me. Yep, Cheryl loves her Alexa too. Thank you. Yeah, I got a lot of compliments on my top today. Thanks. Don't say her name. I know, sorry. Sorry, everybody. It's just like when your dog barks. If you're a dog owner, you know when your dog barks, everybody else's dog barks. So I'm just going to turn it down. So when talking about she did say that she couldn't open my door, which I was very grateful for. So anyway, just say stop, easy peasy. All right, so let's talk a little bit about what we got going on over at temp-tations.com. Then I'll fill you in on the queue and what we have coming up, because we got something really cool on Wednesday that I'm super excited about. And let's start with probably one of my absolute favorite all-time pieces. My goodness, when her name is said. I know, I'm sorry. I started a whole thing. I didn't even think about it. I would have flipped out. I know. I said to Ed later that day when he woke up, I don't know why he wasn't up with me at 3:30 in the morning, but I told him the story, and he just looked at me and goes, seriously? I go, yeah, sure. Ooh, another Cheryl. Lots of Cheryls on the board. All right, so this is one of our elongated 14-inch shallow bakers, and what I love about this is it's all presentation, but it's all that same great stoneware. So still baking in here, cooking in here, microwave, fridge, freezer, dishwasher, all those great things that we love from Temptations. But I love the fact that you literally can prep right in here. You can cook right in here, put it right in the oven up to 500 degrees. You can put it in the dishwasher when you want to clean it. It goes in the fridge. It goes in the freezer. It's just one of those beautiful pieces. And I think as the holidays are coming, we start to whittle down all right, so what's company bakeware we're going to use? And what's the everyday, I'm just going to throw it on the table bakeware we're going to use? Okay. True confessions, right? Well, this is a company's coming and an everyday kind of bakeware piece. So this is under $20, you guys. So if you've never tried the brand and you've kind of been following us or watching along, this is a really beautiful way to get started. Nice open handles here on the sides, beautiful kind of those upswept handles that are so popular. It's too pretty to cook in. I promise you, you can cook in it. Kathleen is saying hello, hello, hello. Shallow rather than deeper. I know, it's really interesting. You know, shallow baking, it cooks quicker. And I also hear from you guys a lot, like maybe you're downsizing or you're empty nesters, or you just want some of these key pieces that you can use every day. That's this key piece that you can use every day. Mandy's checking in from Charleston, South Carolina. Anyway, we did this in Woodland White. We also did it in Doodle Doo Red. So 2 of our newer patterns to the family in our collection. So you definitely want to check this out. Go over to temp-tations.com. Here's a really fun, I never really get to show you guys up close and personal just how beautiful that woodland pattern is. Like, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's all completely embossed, which means it all has texture, which is fantastic. So we love, love, love. Jeremy, I don't know if we have more Buffetti coming out. I'm trying to remember if we have some more coming out at the queue. We might have it in a couple of more, Is that really an expression?